The current state of enterprise AI functions as an autonomous digital workforce, a network of nodes executing complex, multi-day tasks in the background. Many business leaders stall out here. They try to find one universal AI platform for their entire company, assuming it handles deep coding, real-time market research, and internal emails with equal proficiency. Hunting for a single winner is a flawed pursuit. Optimizing your daily operations requires building a layered tech stack rather than making a singular all-or-nothing choice. This diagram shows how that stack is built. It starts with the ecosystem core, the foundational layer where secure company data and infrastructure live. Above that foundation, you need precision tools. These are highly specialized AI layers deployed to solve distinct problems for different departments. Success in this landscape requires balancing the cost of data lock-in at your core against the necessity of targeted departmental precision. To build that core layer, you are looking at two major ecosystem hubs, Microsoft Copilot and Google Gemini. Choosing Microsoft Copilot involves a $30 per user monthly premium and a total commitment to the Microsoft 365 infrastructure. That investment unlocks computer-using Copilot Studio agents. These agents ground themselves in your internal SharePoint data and can navigate legacy ERP systems, clicking buttons and entering data just like a human worker. The trade-off is immediate. If your company attempts to execute workflows outside the Microsoft ecosystem, Copilot's workflow value drops significantly. Google Gemini requires a similar commitment. To get the maximum return on investment, your workforce must be fully entrenched within Google Workspace. Gemini's strength is frictionless cross-app workflow. Find an invoice in Drive, cross-reference a Sheets file, draft a summary in Gmail, all in one continuous motion. For larger tasks, Gemini utilizes an inbox command center, allowing users to deploy autonomous agents that handle organizational workflows over several days. This scale illustrates the core trade-off of these platforms. You gain secure data grounding for background tasks, but at the cost of total vendor lock-in and complex licensing tiers. Moving up from the core, we hit the generalist layer. OpenAI's ChatGPT remains the industry standard here, offering a versatile, standalone assistant. OpenAI is highly capable at ingesting raw, messy CSV files. Its data analysis tools can clean that data and generate interactive, downloadable Python charts without requiring you to write code. Because OpenAI operates in a silo outside your company's core data, its writing often requires specific prompting to avoid feeling artificial or off-brand. Anthropic's Claude is often the favorite for power users. It handles complex reasoning, logic puzzles, and deep coding tasks with high precision. This workspace illustration shows Claude's Artifacts UI in action. It allows you to generate code or graphics and instantly iterate on them in a dedicated side panel next to your chat. However, Claude lacks a robust live web search ecosystem and cannot natively execute the cross-app workflows found in Copilot or Gemini. Standalone generalists offer high analytical power, but your users will have to manually bridge the gap between these AIs and your established data silos. The final layer of the stack relies on extreme specialization. Perplexity AI operates here as a dedicated answer engine. Because it relies on live web indexing, Perplexity is built for real-time market research, competitor analysis, and daily news aggregation. This diagram shows why businesses trust it. Perplexity reduces the risk of hallucinations by appending direct, verifiable source links to every claim it makes. The trade-off for that accuracy is narrow utility. Perplexity is not designed to draft long-form creative content or manipulate your internal spreadsheet data. In a different category of specialization, there is Lovable AI. It is designed to turn natural language prompts into deployable, full-stack software. If you need an internal CRM tracker or a utility dashboard, Lovable reduces your time to market. You can generate functional code and UI without waiting for a full engineering cycle. But Lovable cannot perform general chat functions like summarizing a PDF, and maintaining the generative application still requires technical oversight as the business grows. Precision specialists deliver high ROI for niche problems, but they add administrative overhead to your overall tech stack. This matrix shows how to build your stack. Avoid buying a blanket license of one AI tool. First, pick an ecosystem core based on your provider, Copilot for M365 or Gemini for Workspace. Establishing this ecosystem core ensures you have a secure, centralized data grounding for all of your company's automated background tasks. Next, you must map your precision tools directly to your specific departmental needs. Equip your strategy and research teams with Perplexity Pro to ensure cited, real-time market analysis. Give your marketing and development teams Claude. Its nuanced copywriting and artifact iteration saves hours of editing. Supply your IT managers with lovable AI, allowing them to build custom internal dashboards without tying up core developers. This layered approach does require users to occasionally move data manually between specialized tools and your core drives. But by combining an ecosystem core for data security with specialized nodes for precision execution, you achieve the highest operational ROI. You bypass the paralysis of choosing just one AI and give your teams the exact tools they need.